All right, this is how to explain how to install the video adapter for your backup camera to work. In this case, it's a factory backup camera, although you could hook an aftermarket camera to this, I'm sure. So this gray connector needs to go into the factory harness, which is here. And then this end of the module needs to get plugged into the little black connector that comes, this is part of your kit. The video, this is video output. This is your backup camera itself. That needs to go into the camera for the stereo that's just labeled camera. Okay, there's like 3 video inputs, but it's the one that just says camera. That's the one you want to use. And then the wire that that's in your stereo harness, it's a brown wire, and it just says back on there. That's the one that you hook up to your reverse signal that's on your that comes with your little video harness. That's how you hook those wires up. And then of course you hook the ground. We use the spot up here because it does connect to metal behind there, and that's all it takes to hook up the factory adapter for your backup camera to work.